Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my YouTube channel Katya Beauty Style, and today I'm introducing you brand new two foundation from Dior. We have brand new formula. It's a first luxury brand in the market who bring to us clean formula foundation, and we have two, Forever and we have Forever Glow. Difference between old formula and new formula: I use old formula. I still have some bottles, I really like it, but I can tell you I like to use clean one. Clean formula, it's even better. But difference, original formulas have 35 SPF and this one have 15 SPF, and to me it's like coverage the same, medium to full. It stays 24 hours. It's not comedogenic. It's on me today because I feel my skin a little bit dry. I use Forever Glow and I really like it. But stay in this channel, I will tell you more about this foundation, and of course I create this eye look for you. And today we are gonna use a Dior blush. We're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Dior. Yes, it's so pretty and make my skin so young. Stay here, subscribe, comments below, and let's start. Today we're gonna test it brand new Christian Dior foundation. They looks like the same packaging, but they are different. What is different? And I have original one Forever and I have Forever Skin Glow. Okay, original formula, or at least which one we used 2021, have a 35 SPF. These two foundation right now have 15 SPF. Please bring me my 35 SPF, but it's okay. We will use a primer with SPF underneath, something strong, right? Because after 40 you have this pigmentation, discoloration. You need to protect your face. But again, they long wearing, 24-hour wearing foundation. To me personal, medium to full coverage. If you normal to dry, I will go with Forever Glow. If you normal, you will go with the original formula Forever. Or if you normal, oily or oily, this will be great choice too, Forever, because it's like a new, to me, like natural matte finish. But why will they change something what it's already good? For one reason: this foundation right now #1 in a luxury makeup, luxury brand, clean formula. Yes, they take so much chemical. Now it's something luxurious brand bring to us something good. Okay, today I feel my skin a little bit feels a little bit like dry, and I will use Forever Glow. And usually I have both formulas because sometimes I feel oily, sometimes I feel dry. This is how looks bottle inside for Skin Glow and Forever. It's little, you can see it's matte, and this is more glossy. Yes, if it's like you come home and your bottle not glossy, it's mean you got original one. But I want this glow. And of course I like full coverage, and I will use my favorite brush and I'm gonna apply and see. Let's check the coverage. My color is N neutral, and because it's new I got like 4 pump. I like coverage. I need to cover all my pigmentation and discoloration. It smells really good. Yeah, It's a good coverage foundation. Ooh la la, love it. Foundation looks good, and believe me or not, I got a little bit greedy. I put like 4 pumps. Girls, you need only 2. I'm telling you, I've been using right now little bit beauty blender to remove, because I truly feel I put a little bit too much. But I love coverage, I love foundation. I will highly recommend this foundation if you're looking for medium to full coverage. It's cover all my pigmentation and discoloration. I just love how it looks on my skin and give me also nice beautiful glow. Now we're gonna use concealer, and for concealer I'm gonna use today NARS color, I believe vanilla. Yeah, it is medium to full coverage, and I'm gonna just put little bit right here and little bit right here, just for extra lifts. And I probably will put little bit concealer about my oops, so my hair a little bit above my eyebrow bone for extra lift. And I'm gonna use right now beauty blender to blend all this product. Also, I'm just gonna put little bit foundation on my eyelid before my primer. But I'll tell you, I am not just happy, I'm really happy with this foundation. I feel my skin looks so beautiful. Yes, approved by me. Absolutely approved. Of course, all these products were listed below, and you can purchase. It's gonna come from Nordstrom, free shipping, and of course we always like to put some samples for you. Now I'm gonna set my foundation with LANCOME loose powder. It's my absolutely favorite loose powder. After powder, I'm gonna use bronze. Yes, today I'm gonna use Benefits. It's Hoola Benefit Bronze. It's coming with little mirror. Look at this cute brush. Okay, I'll be honest with you, I know this #1 like on YouTube bronze, but I have so many bronzers at home, like I don't even have a time to try everything. But of course I'm gonna try first time. I could not even believe it by myself what I say. Everybody say it's the best, and I not even try, and I owe this for almost 1 year. I just discovered I have this. It's coming with little brush. This will be perfect like for contour. And I just recently saw video of Jaclyn Hill. She's like, she told me it's like, she's saying it's like her favorite bronze. Okay, let's put a little bit. Okay, let's see. I don't know if it's pigment or not, but let's see. Okay, let me get my mirror a little bit higher, and from my corner I'm gonna put a little bit. Okay, and again we all have a different skin tone. We'll see. Now we're gonna use under. Okay, I tried this brush. I do not really care about. I grab right now Charlotte Tilbury blush brush, and let's see. Okay, yeah, I definitely like it to use like my brush. I don't care what's inside. It's a little bit too rough and even scratchy for my face. Okay, bronze give us beautiful pop. Ooh la la, getting pretty, right? Okay, after bronze we're gonna use highlighter, and this is its #5 Rosewood Glow. Look at this beautiful packaging. I love this packaging. It's have a mirror, it's have Dior. It's slightly a little bit, when I purchase, you know how you look at online colors and they looks lighter, and this looks a little bit darker, but you know what, let's try anyway. I'm gonna put on top of my bronze. This will give me a glow and highlights, but Oh, it's actually very pretty. It's very, very pink. It's like a pinky glow become. Oh, I like it. Okay, after highlighter, I'm gonna use blush, and it's also by Dior, 219. I actually really like this blush. I sell in a lot this at Nordstrom, and I'm gonna put on top my highlighter, and what it's gonna do, it's gonna turn down a little bit this like too much shimmer and glow. It is there, but it's not like too much like right now. I will be right back with my eyebrows. After this look, I'm gonna fill my eyebrows, and we're gonna start working with my eyes. Eyebrows it's done. I will tell you girls, I'm still so excited about this foundation, and I think I forgot to mention we have 42 shades in this foundation. Clean formula, and why I'm happy, because my skin, it's not perfect, but this foundation make me happy, my skin happy, and I'm so happy to see me young. Okay, eyebrows here. You know what, because I already have a concealer a little bit under my eyes, and we're gonna use right now this beautiful pink eyeshadow palette from Christian Dior, and it's a name pink coral. It's number 859, but let's put a little bit transparent powder from Laura Mercier, and just very little, and we're gonna leave this, and then we're gonna put eyeshadow. We're gonna use eyeshadow primer. Today we're gonna use eyeshadow primer from Urban Decay on entire my eyelid. First color, which one we're gonna use in this palette, this beautiful light soft pink, and it has a little bit pearl, like iridescent pearl pink color, and this color I'm gonna apply on my entire eyelid. I love this. Oh my god, it's so pretty. This color will make me young and pretty for sure, and I feel it's already spring here. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Texture so beautiful, and it's like, again, it's like a pinky pearl color. Ooh la la. Oh, believe me, no, this color so beautiful. Oh my god, it just, you know what, you can just put light color, liquid eyeliner, and that's it. You already look pretty. It's make my eyes also like really blue. Ooh, I love it. Let me come a little bit close to the camera. I really want you to see how beautiful this pink color. Wow, I really like it. Now we're gonna use this color, which one in the center, and it's like white with little bit also pinky undertone, and I'm gonna apply close to my eyebrow bone for extra lift. It is very pretty. It's not like shimmery. It does have like iridescent in this these colors, but they're not like a shimmer. This one, I feel it's like most the shimmer color in this palette, and this one like a burgundy, I feel like it's more like a matte even. Now this lighter color I'm gonna apply right here in the corner of my eye. Now we're gonna use this bright pink color. I'm gonna use same actually brush. Just what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have a paper towel. I'm just gonna clean slightly little and very little this bright pink color. I'm gonna apply to a crease and push to my circle area. I'm off today. I wish I went to work today and everybody see me because it's so pretty. Now I have an angle brush, and this is actually, I believe, from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's like a brow brush, but I like this because it's angle, it's sleek, and I'm gonna just spray this brush with LANCOME Mist 24-hour wearing, and I'm gonna use this darker color as my eyeliner. Okay, I finish my liquid, like not liquid, we use eyeshadow, we mix with LANCOME spray, and it looks like a liquid eyeliner I have right now on top. But on the bottom I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury eyeliner, and I really like this. It's on one side, it's like a bright blue. Ooh, let me show you, look how pretty this is. And then on another side it's more like a teal blue, and I'm gonna use under my eyes. Let's do first like this darker little bit teal, and I apply very softly. Also, I like to use right now little bit brush, and this is actually brush from Bobbi Brown eyeliner, and I'm just gonna little bit soak this eyeliner. Now I have this little metallic shimmer eyeshadow, and I'm gonna actually put like right here on center, but then I push in like a little bit to my corner, to my crease, this color. Now I'm gonna clean under my eyes, and where is my big fluffy powder brush? And it's time to do, I'm gonna apply right now my primer, lash primer, and then of course mascara. Eyelash first, and then I'm gonna use mascara and primer. For mascara I'm gonna use my LANCOME Grandiose mascara. I need to make my lashes really big and full. I love my eyes, of course I like my skin, it's glowing, it just looks so beautiful. Okay, for my lips, for lip liner I'm gonna use LANCOME lip liner Sheer Raspberry, and for lips I'm gonna use Chanel lipstick number 91, and it's Formula Rouge Allure. Okay, let's put this baby on my lip. Lip liner looks so pretty, and now it's time for lips. I love this lip color. I'm not gonna even use any lip gloss on top because I think we are finished this look. We don't need anything else. And again, look at how beautiful glowing my skin with this brand new Dior Glow Foundation. I love. Also my eyes look spectacular. I'm enjoying this look. I hope you enjoy this look. I try to be very easy, very simple, and if you like this video, please subscribe and comments below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everybody!